Hey guys, so for today's video, it's gonna be my Boxycharm unboxing. I just have foundation and my brows on and concealer and stuff. I cheated, I already opened up the box, as you can tell, and I actually already tried to film this video like a day or two ago, and my camera died. And I just haven't been able to film it till now. So yeah, let's get into it. So this month's theme is Galaxy Glow. I really like this picture it got going on here. First thing that's in the box are these Crown Trio brushes. It retails for $29.99. I should have used the concealer brush to buff out my concealer, but I didn't think about that earlier. I'm gonna set my under eye concealer with this powder brush here, so let me just make sure nothing is creasing, because I have hooded lids and all that jazz, and my stuff creases really easily. This is actually the first time I'm trying out this powder as well. I really like this brush. It's super soft. Oh my gosh. It feels so nice. I think I'm going to continue to use this too as well for setting my face, because it really just gets into my eye and like the whole situation really fast. I usually use this Zoeva Luxe Face Focus brush to set my eyes, but this is like so much easier because it just gets in there, and it really did set my face really nice. Like, oh, I really like this powder too. This is the first time I'm trying this powder, this Wet n Wild powder, and I really like it. So the next thing in the box is this guy right here, and this is the Purely Complexion Authority, and it is the X-Faux Lips Plumping Exfoliator, and it retails for $17. It looks like this. It's like a lipstick. Let's see. And my lips really do need some exfoliating right now. It smells really nice. Okay, so it does rub off the product like really easily though, and I'm pretty sure like this little nub here is all you get. Well, let's just exfoliate away. I don't know. You could just take sugar and oil, to be honest. Let me just wipe it off with a makeup wipe, and the rest with my tongue. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this guy, and this is a Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and it retails for $28 and is in the shade Amethyst. So I am just gonna zoom you in real quick. Let's get to it. Okay, so my lids are already primed with the concealer that I use. I'm just gonna go in with my Kathleen Lights and ColourPop's Dream Street palette. I use it constantly. It's my everyday, and also if I want to do something wild with it, this is what I go for. I'm just gonna take the shade Magical and run that through my crease really quick. And now I'm just gonna take the wand on this thing. It looks like a lipstick, and it does say that you can use it as a lipstick, a highlight, and an eyeshadow. Personally, I'm not going to use this as a lipstick or a highlighter unless I'm going to a rave or a music festival or something like that. So today we're just going to put it all over our lid. And you know what? I think I'm just going to blend this out with my finger. I really, really like it. It is really nice and reflective. I don't know, I think I would use this on the daily. That's just me. I'm a preschool teacher, so glitter is acceptable. I'm just gonna deepen up the outer corners with the shade Shooting Star. I'm just going to take a little bit more shade Shooting Star and run that through my outer corner a little bit more. Get it nice and deep and smoky. And now I'm just going to go in with the shade Magical right here and make sure that everything is nice and blended. And then I'm just gonna wipe off any glitter fallout, which was kind of inevitable. Well, the glitter on my face is here to stay. Cool. I'm just gonna take Magical here on a pencil brush and run that through my lower lash line. And stab myself in the eye. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of that shooting star shade. Just keep that nice and tight in the outer corner. Stamping first because ColourPop shadows have some serious fallout, but I don't mind that because I can wipe it away pretty easily. But I'm just taking this halfway right to where my iris is. My iris. Such a funny word. And then I'm just going to take that peachy shade right here, Magical, again. Run it through the lower lash line, make it nice and peachy under there. Okay, and now I'm just going to take this flat oval brush that's in the Crown Pro Trio Scent. And I'm just going to use Moony right here as my brow bone highlight. Oh, and my inner corners. I'm gonna run Moony under my inner corners as well too. This one here. No, this one. And the next thing in the box, this eyeliner by Vintage Cosmetics, and it's a Smokey eye. Of course, it's a Smokey eye pencil. It's a black Smokey eye pencil, and I usually don't go for these wooden ones. I haven't used black eyeliner in forever. So let's see how this goes. Stabbing myself. Okay, I think that's all I could do for this eye because it's having trouble, and it's not the pencil's fault, it's my eye's fault. Wow, I haven't seen myself with eyeliner in a long time. I actually really like this pencil. I just have to get, my eyes just have to adjust. That's the only problem. Oh, good job, Amy. Stab yourself in the face. Okay, so I'm going to put it on mascara and I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I added more of the Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and I really like it. I really do. I really like it a lot. Oh, and I also put some lip balm on because this stuff definitely exfoliated my lips and they were feeling really dry. I'm going to go ahead and use some bronzer and highlight and I'll be right back. Okay, so the next thing in the box is, oh, actually there's a 20% off coupon for Cover FX. And it lasts till March 15th, and it's 20% off if you use the code FXCharm. So that's really cool. Okay, so the actual next thing in the box is this huge thing. And I've already said that I've opened up the box already, that's why I popped it in here. But this is the Ofra Cosmetics Pop-Up Palette Mini, and it comes with a blush. It says blush Godet, but it comes with the shade Winter Rose, I believe. I really like this palette. You could fit a ton of blushes or highlights or anything like that in here, but I'm not really sure if this is my shade. We'll see. And it's a little bit shimmery, so let's see how that goes. I'm not sure how I feel about this whole opening situation, because see how it like flaps there? I don't know. Let's just stop talking and give it a whirl. Ooh, I actually really like that. We have a winner. Oh yeah, I really like that. It definitely looks really dark. It does look really dark, but I don't know. I really like it. Tone it down a little bit with a handy dandy beauty sponge. Melt everything into the skin. Now I'm just going to use the NYX setting spray to set it on place, and we'll give our final thoughts. Get my fan. Speed up the process. Okay, you guys, so for my final thoughts, the winner of the box was definitely these brushes. I am so excited to keep using these brushes. I really like this one for setting under eye concealer. I didn't get to use this guy yet for concealer, but I'm definitely going to try. And then this was really nice for the brow bone highlight. And I'm really sensitive. Obviously, you saw that my eyes were watering like crazy when I put the eyeliner pencil in. And these did not irritate my eyes at all, so I'm really excited about that. It has like 2 indents here for your fingers right there, so you can just hold your brush just like that. I do like the eye pencil, but again, my eyes were just having a hard time, that's all. The pure, I like it. Would I spend $17 on it? No. The Shimmer Veil retailed for $28, and I really like this a lot. It looks really, really pretty. I just need to get a better nude to go with this eye. But I don't know, I think this would be a really pretty fun look in the summer. I like it. What was the other thing? There was something else. Oh! The blush palette. And I do like this. I'm not a huge fan of the packaging situation going on here. But I do like the blush. And then it looks really pretty. I do think there is a sheen to it because there is a slight sheen to it, but there's no glitter reflex going on except for in the highlight, obviously. Okay, guys, so that was everything in this month's box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, and the entire retail for this month's box was, let me check. The whole retail of this month's box was $126, which is crazy because we only paid $21 for the box. I forgot to mention that the eye pencil was $21, which is crazy. I mean, it's creamy. It's creamy and delicious. I'm glad I got it in the box because I really do like it. I just wouldn't pay $21 for it, but I really do like it. It was easy to get in my eyes, but my eyes are still watering, and I don't think it's the pencil's fault though. I'm not gonna blame the pencil. Okay, you guys, that completes this video. That was everything in this month's box. Let me know if you guys liked what was in your box or if you're going to be getting Boxycharm. I'll leave a link down below for Boxycharm so that you guys can go onto their site and see if you want to get on a subscription. I did have to go on a wait list for about a month, but they're pretty good about getting people off the wait list. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I'm gonna go ahead and add the Hooler bronzer by Hooler. In the box are these crown. There's a bug on my laptop. Get out. And the first thing that is in these. Something on my teeth? No, it's just a gap. And the first thing that's in the box are little thing. I've already